Alright, just a quick little update to bring you all up to speed. So off camera we wiped and patched the antenna hole. There goes a piece of newspaper. The wind didn't like it, I guess. But we're getting started on painting her today. Got some tape, taping things off, getting everything ready. We got a nice tent here to keep the shade on things. Another spot we wiped. But yeah, pretty much all that's going to go down today is we're going to sand the car down and then throw it in some primer after taping everything up, and that way she's ready for a nice beautiful paint job. And maybe take your guess down in the comments right below. Take your guess what color it's gonna be, and y'all will see that in the reveal video.
Hey now, please don't make a sound. And I will be there soon, in the light of a jet black moon. Well, hey you, in the rain, dancing like a fool. Don't you know that I can see right through you, in the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black moon. And ain't nobody there, ain't nobody there to hear me, ain't nobody there, no, to hear me now. Well, so it goes. And just as you think you know, with sound and fury comes the truth, in the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black moon. And ain't nobody there, ain't nobody there to hear me, ain't nobody there to hear me now. And ain't nobody there, ain't nobody there. Ain't nobody there, no, to hear me now. In the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black moon, in the light of a jet black.
All right.
No place to go. No place to go. Some screws loose under my hood. That's how you found me. Ain't seen the sun in way too long. I've been drinking brown liquor and the bottle's gone. All the while I'm singing this song, yes, and that's how you found me. And well, don't I hate it? Damn, maybe you were right all along.
day after our half prime job. They only primed the top half of the car because that's all where the clear coat was peeling up. It's what the paint shop asked for, so it's what the paint shop's getting. But
it makes sense now that it's been explained to me.
yeah,
Yeah.
I can't explain it like they can.
David can explain it.
David could explain it.
Well, the way it's been explained to me is so you just want it to be smooth. So we primed where the clear coat had started separating to make sure that was nice and smooth. And then we're just going to take where the clear was still in good shape and smooth it all out together. So once we get to the paint booth, everything's going to be nice and smooth, and we're going to seal it. So when we seal it, everything that's underneath it, any issues will be locked underneath the base coat. So we'll see.
And this isn't a hard tape line. We folded the tape backwards so that it would let it overspray down into the V that the tape made when it was bent backwards. So it makes it a lot, it's not a hard line to sand. So we should be able to feather this into the original clear coat a lot better and easier.
So the goal for the sealer is just to be smooth. So the primer, where we had issues with the clear separating, made this to where it's going to be, perfect. And then this was already in decent shape, so we're just going to take it down smooth. So as long as we can get everything straight and smooth, we'll seal it. It'll be beautiful.
We'll just have to spot prime a few places like this.
Yep.
So that's why the car is looking like it is right now. Other than that, in other news, mechanically, we are just about ready to get this thing crunk up for the first time on the channel, at least. We got a new belt on the front, all our plug wires are attached, fuel lines moved out of the way of the exhaust that we installed. Y'all have already changed the oil, I reckon?
All fluids are good, yes.
All fluids have been checked. The transmission has fluid in it.
Full of coolant.
It's full of coolant as well.
New hardware for the upper plenum because there's a 1-inch phenolic spacer underneath it, so had to get longer bolts.
So we put studs in the where the long bolts went, and then cut them to the right length after they threaded all the way down into the threads below the spacer, and then put some acorn nuts on top of them. Then we got our battery on a little charge just right quick, that way it's not completely dead. So I guess this is going to be a real good video to showcase just how 2.5-inch pipes sound with some Magnaflow. It's got some real nice Magnaflows underneath it.
It's funny talking about the exhaust. We had to use about 3 different companies to build the cat back because we wanted to use Magnaflow mufflers, but their stainless steel tips on their catback systems are horrendous looking. So we just bought the Magnaflow mufflers and sourced some stainless tailpipes from Flowmaster because that was the cleanest option on the table. And then I don't know who we got the flow tubes from. 3 different companies created pipes. That's right. Pipes,
flow tubes.
Pipes, Flowmaster, Magnaflow combination. Should be beautiful.
Most of it's stainless though, so
Correct. It's all
should
stainless.
sound really good.
We built a stainless catback.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We like the way the stainless absorbs the nasty sound.
Stainless absorbs nasty sounds. Already heard an exhaust leak. So we got a little header collector leak. We just got to tighten it up a little bit. Kind of like seating a brake line. So now we got our header collector tightened up right down here. It was loose. Now it should sound a lot better.
Find out.
Gonna find out. Get a little more. Come on, man.
Like pretty good.
Where's the oil coming from? Where
That's
you
what I'm
see
trying
it?
to figure, man. I can't see where the hell it's coming from. Fucking primer. Where the hell is that coming from?
Or the booster.
No.
Oh, jeez.
Oh. We didn't have the oil pressure line hooked up.
Well, she's got good oil pressure, it looks
Yeah.
like.
We got the anti-corrosion package working.
That's good.
Anti-corrosion
Good.
package.
Well, we're washing her later today.
Where did
We
that
got
run?
plenty of purple power.
She's not recording your face.
I'm blocking the freaking car.
Blocking the freaking car.
We want it smooth.
This car leaves for the paint booth this Wednesday. In the next, how many days? 3 days? In the next 3 or 4 days, this car is leaving straight for the paint booth. Gonna come back absolutely beautiful. Leave your guess in the comments what color it's gonna be. We ain't gonna show you guys till it's done. It's gonna be amazing. Just wait.
100%. This is where it's at, guys. If you're an automotive enthusiast, you need to be following what's happening down here because they got it going on. Click like and subscribe.
That's right. Gas Works signing out.